The Viridian RFX 1 for the Smith Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 is the world's smallest green dot. It provides a seamless, factory-fit look without the need for a slide cut. In your package, you'll find the RFX 1 optic, the custom dovetail mounting plate, a CR1632 battery, mounting hardware, and the necessary tools. First, ensure your firearm is clear. Now you will need to remove your factory rear sight that comes with your Smith Wesson Bodyguard 2.0. We recommend that you use a sight pusher tool to remove this rear sight. This may be a job for your local gunsmith. The battery compartment is located underneath the optic. Before mounting, ensure your CR1632 battery is seated correctly. Place the mounting plate into the rear sight channel. Then, place your RFX 1 on top of the slide, lining up the holes with the mounting plate. Insert the mounting screws. If everything lines up well, then tighten those mounting screws to 15-inch pounds, being careful not to over-tighten. The RFX 1 features an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts the green dot's brightness to your environment. It also has instant-on motion activation. To zero your optic, use the provided tools to adjust the windage screw on the side and the elevation on the top of your optic. Because of the RFX 1's position on the slide, you'll find that target acquisition is fast and intuitive, ultralight, ultra slim, and built to carry. That's the RFX 1. For more tips and customer support, head over to ViridianWeaponTech.com.